Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, MacG has been exposed. His wife was just so fed up with him. MacG was exposed by his wife with his bed hygiene, with his bed toilet hygiene, and she was like, no my guy, you need to change, you need to
use the bathroom. Please, if you pee on the seat, please wipe it, or just lift the seat and pee on the other side. You too. It's the third time today I find pee on the seat that I'm supposed to sit on. You never wipe it. So otherwise, I'm gonna start wiping it with your toothbrush because I don't know what else to do. It's so frustrating.
Do you get that?
What do you mean do I get it?
Every man does it.
I'll aim it.
No, every man does that.
Pee on the side.
No, on the seat.
On the seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does happen, man. But sometimes you're sula, man. You wipe.
Yeah, I'm marking my territory.
No, why?
She must not.
So yes guys, as you have seen, she sent him a voice note on WhatsApp telling him to please wipe off the toilet seat after you are done with your business, because guys, as women, when we go to the toilet we have to sit down. So now when you leave the toilet seat, like with your pee, you are not being considerate of other people. And that voice note was sent on WhatsApp. Then MacG was like, yo guys, I have some tea. As we all know, MacG Velenje is always saying what's on his mind. He doesn't care what other people think, he will say what he wants to say, and he doesn't even feel sorry about it. So I'm glad that he is not only exposing other people, he is also exposing himself, of the bad tendencies that he's been doing. So now he played that voice note, and Mugel was like, next time you try that, I'm gonna wipe the toilet seat with your toothbrush. And he was just laughing and laughing. I'm sure he's just laughing, man, because he knows what I'm, and my wife would never do that. With my toothbrush, Pela, she's the one who's kissing that mouth, So now people commented that, they hate what he is doing, especially women. They were saying, nope, this is annoying and disgusting. Like, MacG, you need to change your behavior. And then one user also commented and said, nah, for kids it's understandable, but for an old man like MacG who lives with a woman, it's a no. Then someone also replied, I don't know why lack of hygiene is excused by masculinity. Wipe the toilet seat, you're old. And also someone also commented to say maybe he needs a ladder for him to aim properly. And I'm sure, man, he is not even stressed out about these comments, because he knows he's always laughing at other people, exposing other people. So now people say he is not even ashamed, guys. He is just laughing like this is a joke, and this is a serious issue. He needs to be held accountable. He needs to change his behavior. So I'm not sure, man. Not sure if he will change his behavior, but yeah, man, he got exposed of it.